Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready to put together the Halo Twin bassinet for the girls, and it just makes everything just seem so much more real, and the girls are gonna be here before we know it, and I am so excited. The kids are gonna help us put everything together. Nate just finished putting the twins bassinet together. I'm so excited. Good morning. I just pulled up to Bye Bye Baby. I've actually never been to Bye Bye Baby before, so I'm excited to check it out. But I'm gonna pick out some stuff for the hospital bag. I'm so excited, and Kenzie is here to help me get all ready for the twins. Are we gonna pack for the hospital? Yeah? Are you helping mommy pick out stuff for the babies?
You know what this is for?
What is that for?
This is for the babies.
Well, it can be. I got that for mommy's hospital bag if her lips get chapped. And then what else would you pick out? Some flower diapers?
Flower diapers.
We need to stock up on diapers, huh? And then mommy needs to get some nursing stuff. See what they have. I used these when I was pregnant with Kensington and Preston, well, when I was breastfeeding them. So I'm just gonna stick with these again. I seriously cannot believe I haven't been into a Bye Bye Baby before. They have so much stuff. I'm so glad we have one here in Colorado. And I'm like on baby overload. I went in here with like an idea of what I need, and now there's so much stuff. I'm like, do I need this? Do I need this? Do I need this? But look at all the car seats and strollers they have. It's crazy. I mean, look at all these. There's so many to choose from. And then all the strollers. Look how cute these little socks are. Should we get 2 pairs of little baby socks?
These are not baby socks.
Oh, yes, they are.
I want to leave these baby socks.
Here. No, these are for little babies.
Those babies.
These are for 12-month to 24-month. All right, and then should we look at some little outfits? Look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Wave your hand in front of her face.
This and this one.
Watch. Were you such a big help picking out stuff for your 2 sisters? And you got a little toy, huh?
I get the little birdie. They go like this.
It comes with what?
Birdie.
Oh, it has a little bottle and a pacifier. Good job. Good job, bub. Good job. All right, so guitar. What does guitar start with?
G.
Good job, babe.
Good job, babe.
Good job, babe. All right, feather. What does feather start with? What letter does it start with?
F.
Good job. Just got another delivery for the girls. I'm so excited. They're for Mom's Mamaroos. I cannot wait to have Nate put these together. I can't even tell you the last time that Preston took a nap and he was really, really quiet. So I just went to check on him and he's passed out on the couch, and it is so precious, but it's like 5 o'clock. So I don't want him to sleep because he's not gonna sleep tonight, but I can't wake him because he's so cute. I want to show you guys a few outfits I got at Bye Bye Baby today for the girls. I got these. I think they're so cute. They're Burt's Bees Baby. They've got little stars on them. And then also from Burt's Bees, I got these as well. I thought those were super cute. They're super soft, 100% organic cotton. These were $16.99. These were $13.99. And then I also got these cute little outfits. They come with a little hat. I just thought those were so darling. These are the brand Little Me. These were $16 on sale for $12.99. And then I also got these that I thought were super cute as well. These are also the Little Me brand, and these were $16 on sale for $12.99. So I stocked up a little bit on a few outfits. I'm so excited. They're so cute. And then I just got these little mittens for the girls. And just some cute little socks. All right, you guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I am exhausted. I'm going to wash my face, put my jammies on, and just lay down and catch up on some TV. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you soon. Bye.